Mixed number multiplication. In your ALEKS Pie, mouse over the green slice, Fractions, to reveal the list of topics you need to cover. Click on Mixed Number Multiplication. Here's an example problem. 2 2/9 times 4 1/8. Let's click Explain. We first write the mixed numbers 2 2/9 and 4 1/8 as improper fractions. So 2 times 9 is 18 plus 2 is 20. And so this becomes 20/9. And 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1 is 33. So this becomes 33/8. And then we multiply those. So 20/9 times 33/8. And when we multiply, it's not like adding and subtracting. We don't have to have common denominators. We just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. But we can also cross cancel using common factors. And so with 20 and 8, 4 will go into both of those. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we can cross out the 20 and make it a 5. Cross out the 8 and make it a 2. And then with 33 and 9, they have common factors of 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So cross out the 9 and make it a 3. Cross out the 33 and make it an 11. And this gives us smaller numbers to multiply. So 5 times 11 is 55, and 3 times 2 is 6. So now we have an answer of 55/6. And we need to take this improper fraction and put it back into a mixed number by dividing. And so to get from 55/6 to 9 1/6, we take 55 divided by 6. 6 goes into 55 9 times, because 9 times 6 is 54. 55 minus 54 is 1. And so when we're talking about sixths, we put our remainder over 6. And so then we have 9 1/6 is how we state our remainder. And it doesn't need to be simplified. Let's try another one. 2/3 times 2 4/9. Here are my notes. 2/3 times 2 4/9. And so first I have to take this 2 4/9 and make it into an improper fraction. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 4 is 22. And so this becomes 22/9. And normally I would cross cancel, but I don't have anything that cross cancels. There's nothing that goes into both 2 and 9 to cross cancel here, and there's nothing that goes into both 3 and 22, and so I just need to go ahead and multiply. 2 times 22 is 44, 3 times 9 is 27. And so now I have an improper fraction of 44/27. And so I need to divide that to make that into a mixed number for my answer. And so 44 divided by 27, 27 goes into 44 one time. 1 times 27 is 27. 44 minus 27 is 17. And so I have a remainder of 17. And so I have 1 17/27, and that's already reduced. I can't make that any smaller. In my ALEKS screen, I need to type in the answer that I got in my notes. 1 17/27, and click Next. And it says that I got the correct answer. Let's try another one. 3 2/3 times 2 1/7. Here are my notes. 3 2/3 times 2 1/7. So I need to take these two mixed numbers and make them into improper fractions so that they're easier to work with. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11 for 11/3, and 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15 for 15/7. And then I need to cross cancel before I can multiply. And so with 3 and 15, I can do that. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. And so this gives me some smaller and easier numbers to work with. And so 11 times 5 is 55, and 1 times 7 is 7. So I have 55/7. And then I need to divide to make this improper fraction into a mixed number. And so 55 divided by 7. 7 goes into 55 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. 55 minus 49 is 6. And so with my remainder of 6, since we're talking about sevenths, it's going to be 6/7. And that is already reduced. I can't make that any smaller. And so my final answer is 7 6/7. In my ALEKS screen, type in the answer that I got in my notes. 7 6/7, and click Next. And it says that I seem to have learned this question. Thanks for watching.